I'm going to show you how you can create your own DIY hand disinfecting spray using doTERRA essential oils, rubbing alcohol, and a little bit of coconut oil. So all you're gonna need is an empty bottle of 15 milliliter essential oil. This one is from doTERRA and it used to be Citrus Bliss. So what I've done, I finished the entire oil. You don't want to empty the bottle unless you are done with it, right? So if you don't have any empty bottles yet, then you can buy these at different sizes and kind of make your own, but this is like the smallest one that I would recommend. Anything bigger than that is okay. You can recycle bottles. I would just make sure that they're made from glass and that they're amber color, like this darker tone. So what I did is I took out that sticker that the essential oils comes with. You can easily remove it, at least the ones from doTERRA, right? So you peel it off. And then I have these Viva Naturally stickers that I like to use for many reasons and in different forms. So this is one of the forms. I place the sticker here, and then on top of it I put tape, clear tape, so that way the oil or water doesn't rub on the sticker and it doesn't mess it up. Now you can rinse the bottle a little bit if for some reason the smell is a little different. If you have lavender or whatever, if you want to keep the aroma that it was in, then you don't have to do that, so it's optional. And then you remove this topper. You can either do it with your hand or you can do it with this tool that I like to use to remove it, like so. And then now you have space to put your oil. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take On Guard essential oil and put 15 drops inside of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15. All right. So you put 15 drops of On Guard, and then I'm going to put 3 drops of tea tree. This one is optional. I like to always use tea tree anytime I do any antibacterial blends because it's great for that, and it's still good to put on the skin. So 1, 2, 3. All right, then next you will need rubbing alcohol. I know there's another option to use vodka. It's just you want to make sure the percentage of alcohol is high. Same thing with the rubbing alcohol. I recommend 90% or more. And you're gonna need only a teaspoon. So just a teaspoon of your alcohol. This is gonna help with the disinfectant component. All of these are great for disinfecting and immune protection, all that good stuff. So this is just an extra layer of that. And in this case, just to avoid making a bigger mess, I'm gonna use this little funnel. If you have another one like it, you can use it. And that's just gonna help me pour everything into place. So we're gonna pour this here. There we go. Now you have your oils and your alcohol. The last part, or the second to last part, is to put some fractionated coconut oil. No aroma, just fractionated coconut oil. This one is from doTERRA. You can get this one or another one if you like. And just put 3 to 5 drops, depending on how soft and smooth you want your hands to be. The reason why is because the alcohol, the rubbing alcohol, can make your hands dry. So the oil, the coconut oil, is just like an extra layer of moisture so that it prevents it from happening. So I'm just gonna put, in this case, 3 drops or 4. Let's do 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So then the final step is to finish it off with water. So I'm gonna pour some water. I'm actually gonna grab some water. And we're gonna pour it inside here. So you wanna top it off with water. Very slowly. You wanna pour things very slowly into this. And you can use your funnel for that too, even though this has a nice opening to pour. So you kind of want to do little by little and kind of check to see the, there we go. So that looks good, and I'm gonna show you in a second how it looks, but for now, that's that step. And then this bottle came, the doTERRA bottle came with this topper, but instead of this, we're gonna have a spray because we want this to be very easy and convenient to use. So I got this. I actually have a lot of these in stock, and I like to keep these handy for any other DIY projects with oils and such. And it's very nice because it's really a spray, right, topper, and it comes with its own top cap. So all you have to do is literally screw it on, mix it, and then there you have it. So you have your own natural, chemical-free hand sanitizer, but it's not in gel form, it's in spray form. So it's nice and convenient because you can take it with you on the go, wherever you go. You can use it at home. You can label it as, if you want to, you can label it as hand sanitizer. I already know that these are hand sanitizers. So you can give these to others, keep a couple for your family or your friends. And it also, because it has On Guard and tea tree, it also smells really nice as a room spray. So let's say if you go to the bathroom or public bathroom or somebody else's place and you want to spray some of this to disinfect the air, or it doesn't smell nice, then you can spray a couple of these in there and then it'll help with that too. So there you have it. I hope you find this useful.